everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Say and Leon, and as you all know, it's the beautiful faces, the beautiful ladies of the Ocheng's family. Behind the camera is Celine, Mama yao of course,
Rehema,
Leon,
Dada.
Onyesha sura ya nyama.
Hapana.
So
what
we're doing is we are taking a walk with our mother. We're bonding. It's Girls' Day bonding today. So
Tunamwambia kwenda kukunywa chai moja. Hi Dada.
Nature walk, and so far we have reached here. So don't mind the makelele. Najua kuna makelele, lakini we are near the road.
Tuko highway.
We were walking and we decided to come check up on our dad.
Of course, kama kawaida. Hiyo
Sasa ndo madam nampigia alafu ndo tumsalimie tuendelee.
Hii kamera inifanyie justice. I want them to see me. Hadi huku chini.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
So my people, I'm back in the house and I want to prepare some dinner. So in today's supper, napika githeri na mchele na chai, but I have tea. This tea is for ile asubuhi. So this one, but sisi hatukuli, me and Leon tushakula, but I will put some porridge for my son ipo wange, at least akunywe. So the porridge is here. Nawaambia mimi I'm always ready for anything. So hapa kuna uji ya Leon, nitaiweka ipoe. And also guys, I want to kupika githeri na mchele for baby. So remember, githeri uslap na kitunguu ya nyasi. Also my sister made some chili, if you know the chili, ile ya kujikaangia. So amepika, nikagawa kidogo. So I've kept it here. Let me show you. Nimeiweka hapa. Hii pilipili na slapingi. Ile it's pilipili and then saumu and then kitunguu na nyanya. Hivyo. Ina slapingi. Hey. So let's start the cooking for baby's food because that ya kuja kama sijapika because I normally call him Mubabas. He's my Mubabas. So my people, this is the food, githeri, mchele, and then some tea. So I want to go and serve baby because baby may arrive. Babe, umeingia saa ngapi? Ni saa ngapi? Saa 6. Okay.
The next day.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video it is 8:30 in the morning and I want to start by cleaning my house and then I go and wash the utensils, and also God willing I'm hoping that I'll go and leo nipanguze fridge because I feel like my fridge is so dirty. Sijapata time ya kupanguza, but I think today I might do it. And also I have many clothes that inafaa zikunjwe, but it's like sina time completely. I don't have time because even right now I want to do my house chores very fast because I'm supposed to head somewhere. Excuse me, I'm very busy. I'm going and coming. Excuse me, niko busy. So I think I shall be going somewhere, but that one will be on another vlog. So right now guys, we start by washing the bedroom, then we come here, then we go to the kitchen, alafu tuoshe vyombo, and then tuoshe fridge when my porridge is boiling because my son is still sleeping and akiamka atanisumbua and baby is not around. So I want to do my work faster, and then in the next maybe cleaning ya nyumba, the next vlog I shall be washing the house, like deep cleaning the huku chini na kupanguza huku, because right now I can't do it because I'm alone. I'll wait for baby to come. If that is in the next vlogs, so that atakana Leon when I'll be doing the general cleaning. But leo I'm not doing the general, it's just the cleaning. So let's start by washing. Nakwambia nimefunga hii. I'm in pain. I'm in severe pain. Naumwa na cramps. I can't bend that low, like naumwa. So I'm really trying. I'm trying so hard. So let's start the video.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Ekelea tu hapo. Unaenda shule kwani? Wanafunga? Poa. So, my people, I'm now done with the utensils. As you can see, nishadi my sink area. So right now, I want to gawa, nilikuwa nachemsha maji ya kuosha fridge. So nataka kuweka hapa. I want to put it here. Then I put another water for Leon ya uji, because I don't want him to wake up before I finish everything. So remember, we are using warm water, vinegar, omo na hizo tu ndo nitatumia kuosha fridge, and some salt. So let's just start. So my people, I'm now done with the porridge, and now I want to wash my fridge. So guys, the camera ilikuwa imenishatia when I was doing the video. Nilikuwa nishaanza kupanguza, and unfortunately I'm almost done with this part. So in my water nilikuwa nimeweka vinegar na omo. So I'm almost done with this part, and I was using this towel.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
So my people, I'm now done. This is how my final house looks like. So I'll show you the sitting room na jikoni, because that is where nimefocus now mostly, because of the fridge and the nimechange pia my kitchen. So I will show you. So this is how my sitting room looks like.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say.
So as you can see, nimetoa the meza here. So my kitchen has a lot of space. So this is how it looks like.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna